I'm glad you could join me for today's video on identifying the degree and leading coefficient of a function, and here a polynomial function. So when we want to identify the degree and the leading coefficient, what we need to do is multiply out the factors if the function is given to us in factored form. So for this, our function f of x is equal to, and then x times my 6x to the fourth minus 5 times 7x squared plus 1. Now I like to go ahead and use the associative property and multiply the two binomials together first, and then after that distribute the outside factor if I have that outside factor of x. So when we do that, we are going to show that we still have that multiplication of x after we get done with using the FOIL method and then collecting like terms if possible. So we're going to have 6x to the fourth times 7x squared. That's 42x to the sixth. And then 6x to the fourth times 1 is a plus 6x to the fourth. Minus 5 times 7x squared is a negative 35x squared. And then negative 5 times 1 gives me a negative 5. Now I look to see if I have any like terms, and there aren't any, but I still do need to distribute that last factor of x. So that'll give me 42x to the seventh plus 6x to the fifth minus 35x to the third, and then minus 5x. So it's in descending order. You look at the exponents and make sure that they get smaller as you look from left to right. The degree is the same degree as the highest degree term. So you look at that exponent and the degree is 7. And then the leading coefficient is the coefficient in front of the highest degree term. So my leading coefficient is 42. And that's how you find the degree and leading coefficient of a polynomial function.